before this class, idea I have about the Vastu was just a wrong information and the myths. I never thought that in just 4 days in this 4-day workshop, I will start doing the small things to improve my Vastu of my home. It's mine is a rented apartment, and but it's a I'm also going to leave this within few months, but still there are many things are there so that I can improve. I can improve my living here in this amount of time. So it was my great experience that you both have made learn so many things. It will take me a long time to assimilate all the things. All the aspects are so knitted together, in one frame. So it's a really good workshop for me. No one can match that knowledge you gave, in such a small span of time. Whatever you deliver, no one can match that. It's a huge information. So many things are compiled, that healing aspects, that mantras aspect, everything is so well knitted. It's really great. IWC के साथ में I connected in last February with my level 1, and within 1 year time I have done so many things. So many knowledge has gathered from IWC. It's really priceless. When I can't imagine that just going through books or from others, I can gather such information. It's really priceless, ma'am.